In this video, I'm going to talk about how do you use your credit balance in Temu. So if you have some credit balance, if you want to use it, what basically happens is that the Temu credit balance that you have is automatically applied to eligible orders at checkout. So the balance would be automatically deducted from your total. So for example, if you are like, let's say you add an item to your cart, and if you proceed to the checkout session here, in most cases, what happens, your Temu credit will automatically be applied to your order. So the amount from your balance will be deducted automatically. So you don't literally have to do anything. It will be automatically applied your credit. So that's how you actually use it. All you can do is when you check out, make sure that on your payment section that your Temu credit has been applied. So under this section here, you will see that the under discounts or Temu coupon, you will see it will be applied. So make sure that it's applied. Okay, basically it will be done automatically, so you don't really have to do anything.